Yo, what's up guys? I'm back. This is my second video, and right now I'm on my way to Rodeo to see what's gonna happen, because rumor has it that there's some crazy cars parked there right now, but I'm gonna check it out for myself. And after that, I got invited to a secret car meet hosted by all these famous YouTubers that you guys probably watch. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out, but right now let's go to Rodeo. Yo guys, look, I'm back. I told you I was on my way to Rodeo. Just like the previous video, I'm here again. Now I'm here to see what kind of cars we see, and let's just see what happens. I mean, it's always a good vibe when you're on Rodeo, chilling it. Yo, look, seconds in, M6 competition with ugly rims. I'm gonna say it, those were ugly rims. But M6 competition, first spot of the day, not looking so bad. All right guys, we're on the second block on Rodeo, Dayton Way to be exact. On our left, G-Wagon. On our right, 488 with paper plates, so you know it's brand new. The owner's probably eating in here, chilling it.
Bro, this is a weekday.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's pretty dead, but luckily this ain't the video. The video's about this secret meet I was telling you guys about. So
but still, people get out and like during the week.
It's a cool sign. Yeah, but it's pretty dead, but it's cool. We're not just gonna film this. We have something special for the later of the video. Speaking about GTs, what's that car right there? Go, Mr. Mustang, or name it.
Oh, the GT350.
I can't even see it, but all right guys, look, do you think this is worth it? Oh, but these cars are blocking. I can't even film it. Like all these people waiting just to eat at that restaurant. What do you think? Would you eat there? Look at how packed that is. Oh, it's a 4x4. Oh, there you go. It's 4x4 eating at Saddle Ranch. That's nice. Guys, look, we just pulled up. Look at that. It's not so secret now, but look at that. Bro, look at this sick M4 with T37s. Bro, this is so sick. M5 competition. Look at these two slam cars. M6 and 392. Bro, look, another M6. You guys, like, we're gonna leave right now. Look where I'm at. Bro, look at these seats. Look at these seats. Alright, how much people are here?
Oh shit, clap.
Oh my god.
Hey, record it.
Look at fuck! Yo, don't leave, bro. They're gonna first, you're good. Bro, what?
That's not even... I know. It's got fuck around.
Bro, they got another one.
Tyler, do it!
Bro.
Oh, he got the motorcycle.
He's leaving. Dude, bro, he's running.
He's dipping on the motorcycle. Oh, he's dipping on
he's running.
He's dipping on right now.
He lost him. Look how far he is.
Oh, he's out.
He dipped on him.
Oh, my
God.
God.
He left.
Hey, look at the cops. Oh, shit.
Bro, they're going after him. Bro, they're going after him.
Dude. Hey, they're not gonna catch him, bro. They're not. Dude, this fucking Explorer's going after the bike that just dipped on the other dude.
Bro, there's no way he's gonna catch him. No, no.
For me?
Yes. Yeah, bro, it's for you. Pull over.
Oh, suck my dick.
Oh my god.
Wow, I'm getting pulled over. Dude, he got nothing on me. I was going 65, bro.
helicopter out chasing the motorcycle. Bro.
I would really love for him to get away.
He will, bro. Believe in himself.
Realistically, there's no way.
He needs to get to the streets first.
Alright guys, that clip that you saw that I filmed about the cops chasing the bike, well, apparently he's on a pursuit right now and he doesn't want to pull over. Oh, he pulled over.
He's gonna start running.
He ain't running nowhere,
cuffing
bro.
him. Wait, they got him?
He pulled over.
He's gonna get released tomorrow. I'll hit him up tomorrow.
You guys, look, we're just here chilling. Look at this. Bro, look at, like I said, I was filming that car, chilling in, not causing no trouble, and look who pulled up. Oh, why? Tell me, why did he come?
But I feel like it was the GTS.
Bro, look at him.
Moments after that one came.
Yeah, seconds later, I just filmed that GTS for you guys. He pulls up, like, move out the way. Yeah, bro, I don't know why. Shout out Ben's crew today. 1, 2, 3. Bagged, scat. The other one's over there. Everyone's out today. Every Benz. Bro, this dude loves this car so much. Why?
Because, bro, I need it. I'm gonna get it, watch.
Bro, where's your phone? Don't you have it as your background? Oh my god, this has a background. Bro, you just seen your dream car pass right by you.
I'll get it soon. You gotta stay patient, you know?
Alright guys, we're back where we started. Remember all those cars and those people? It's all empty now. You got classical music playing. And yeah, thank you for watching my second video. I'm going to upload even more. And got the snacks. What you get? What you get? We got that going on. And yeah, it was a crazy night. I had fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. And until next time, peace.